What is good, everybody? Elevator here. Got my screen pulled up. This is week three? Well, week two if you count the reset. But we got the $75 account up to 187 right now. And if you look over on the right side of the screen where I have my investments at, we've been down. Market is in the downtrend. So those that don't know about investing, red is good. Red is good buying points. It's a great time to buy your your investments while everything is red. You don't want to buy at highs. So as you can see, we up a little over $13 on the day. Um, Today I took a QQQ. I took a call. If it'll let me. Of course not. And I'm not editing that out either. So pulled up the account history. I bought a QQQ call today. $71 sold for 88. Again, my style of options trading is quick scalps. So it is 12:12 when I'm recording this video. Now, I did highlight where I got into my call play, which was on the 10:55 to 11 o'clock 5-minute candle. Um, we were in a downtrend, short term. I saw the can't talk today. So I saw the wick down, and then I saw QQQ start to push back up. So I hopped in where that circle is at, and my stop loss would have been below the body of this previous candle. Just as a scalp. So I jumped in. My price target was the 200 moving average, which is this red line here, which we did push up, and we did get above the 200, and I saw it at about $92, and I took the screenshot when I went to hop out. Yeah, it went down to 88, but I'm good though. That's $17. $5 a day. That's a good 3 days worth of investments, challenge wise, and the weekends because the crypto buys on the weekends also. But that's neither here nor there. So we the blah blah. So this account is up 149% from the $75 original investment. So what do I want everybody to take away from this? You don't have to start with a whole lot. All it takes is some studying. You could find somebody that calls plays that you trust. You could talk to people that you know, because the person that introduced me to options trading, he was doing it for years before he actually introduced it to me. And we're still cool to this day. We actually will call each other on the phone and we'll talk ourselves through our trades and stuff like that. So it's all about your dedication. The person that introduced me to options values my opinions and my thoughts and listens to me. We always have to be willing to learn from whoever. That could be a baby. Babies could teach us things. This could be people that are older than us, people that are younger than us. We just always have to be able to keep our mind open. So, what's the plans moving forward with Elevated Finances? I don't like trading options on Robinhood because of the stop losses. So what I think I'm going to do is, if I get this account up to 2,000, $2,500, something like that, whatever the case, I don't know the exact requirements for margin, but I'm going to switch this account to a margin account, and I'm going to start using leverage just because I think it'll be an interesting plot twist. Also, we have March coming up. I was thinking about doing maybe a $25 strictly options challenge. I need to know what you guys' opinion on that is. Also, once I get to my enough subscribers, I will actually trade live. This way, people can ask me questions and things like that. Of course, obviously, this is not financial advice. I have to give that disclaimer, but I think it'll be a cool experience and introduce people that are money driven to actually be able to see that anything is possible. I hope you guys got something out of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you don't mind, hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button for me, and let's take it to the moon. I'll see you guys later.